Why, yes. Yes, we do.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and you're watching Mama's Mess of Makeup. So today I wanted to jump on here real quick just to do an unboxing for you guys. I do have several beauty subscription boxes that I receive in the mail every month. The one that I am the most excited to receive normally is my BoxyCharm subscription. And this month is the BoxyLuxe subscription. So for those of you that are new to BoxyCharm or you've never heard of it or you don't have the subscription, whatever, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. There's usually a good mix of different stuff in the box every month. And I've been signed up now, I want to say since like April, maybe a little bit before then. And I am usually surprised and I'm usually pleased with what I receive in my box. So just recently they started an upgrade version to the BoxyCharm, and this is BoxyLuxe. BoxyLuxe is more higher priced items. It's more bougie stuff, I guess you could say. The normal BoxyCharm subscription is $21 a month. So you might say that's a little pricey for a monthly subscription. Yes and no. Yes, just because if you have more than one subscription, it can add up rather quickly and you're paying this on a monthly basis. However, the products you receive in BoxyCharm the total value is usually at least over $100. Sometimes it's more than that. So paying $21 a month, in all honesty, is a really good deal for what you get. So if you haven't seen BoxyCharm yet and you're curious, I'm going to unbox my BoxyLuxe for you to give you an idea of what you get if you were to get BoxyCharm and then upgrade. So let me explain it to you a little bit better. So again, you're getting BoxyCharm, you'll get it once every month, except every 3 months you get an upgraded box. If you upgrade to BoxyLuxe, you're going to get an upgraded version of your BoxyCharm every 3 months. And then every month in between that, you're getting your regular BoxyCharm subscription. The BoxyLuxe box is just, it's got more stuff in it, it's more value, and you're paying an additional $28.99 that month. So every 3 months you're paying the $21 plus the $28.99. Basically you're paying $50 every 3 months, and then every other month other than that you're paying $21 a month. And you don't have to do that. You can have just the BoxyCharm subscription, which is $21 a month, and you just stick with that. However, I knew that it would have a lot more products in it. I already know that the value of these boxes is crazy insane compared to what you're actually getting and what you're paying. So I figured it was a good deal to go ahead and just get the upgrade. So that's what I do. I'm going to unbox it for you today on camera. I want you to see what I got in my box. And maybe for those of you that don't know what BoxyCharm is, you've never heard of it, or you're kind of curious about it, this will give you an idea of, what you would get if you did upgrade to the BoxyLuxe. So let me go ahead and get that open. I haven't opened it yet, so this will be a surprise for me and for you. I just want to give a little shout out to my friend Sarah. She's the one that turned me on to BoxyCharm. It really is my favorite subscription box out of the ones that I get. I don't know, I really enjoy it. I like what I get. I think it's a nice variety of items and it's really good value. So if you're curious about it and you're on the fence, you're not sure, I highly recommend BoxyCharm. Almost stabbed myself. That was not good. Okay, if I can get this damn box open, we'll be in good shape. Alright, so the first thing that I see when I unbox this is this. It says "'Tis the Season." It's got a cute little flamingo on it. And on this little card, well, this big card, this is a big one. On this card, on the back of it, it's got all of the products that you're receiving in your box, and it breaks it down into value. It tells you how much each product is worth. So I'm going to go over that with you as I'm showing you these items, just to give you an idea of what I paid versus how much everything is worth. It really is a good deal. Okay, so right off the top, the first thing that I see in this box is what looks like a bag of some sort. Oh, and it's very nicely made. Let me pull this out of the bag. Okay, so it's a cute little cosmetic bag, I guess you could say, and it says Glam AF on it. So that's fitting. That's definitely for me. So that's that. That's what that is. And then inside of that, I really don't know what that is. What is that? Okay, so inside of that, inside of the cosmetic bag was a portable charger. So that's awesome. That's definitely something that will come in handy. Who couldn't use a portable charger? So awesome. So the wristlet with the portable charger is worth $22. Okay, so the next thing in my box that I see is, what is this? This is a translucent setting powder from Pretty Vulgar, and it looks like this. This is really cute packaging. I really like this. It comes with this cute little poof, and then it's a good bit of product in here. Okay, so that's setting powder. I mean, this setting powder is $32. Okay, so let's stop. Okay, you've got the portable charger, the cosmetic bag, and then you've got the setting powder. These two items right here are already worth the price of this box. And we still have probably a good 8 items to go. So that's why I really enjoy BoxyCharm subscription. The value that you get with the items in your box is honestly, it's second to none. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I pay for this subscription every month, so I'm not on here raving to get people to buy it. I really am a fan of BoxyCharm. I think it is such a cool idea, especially for those people that are still trying out stuff. You know, if you're new to makeup or you're just getting into beauty products, this is so good for people like that because it gives you the opportunity to try things you normally wouldn't try. All right, so moving on. The next product in my box is from the brand, oh God, I'm going to butcher this. I'm going to let you all try to pronounce this. It's called Blossom Bliss Beyond Cleansing. It's a body wash infused buffer, okay? So let me just show you the front of this box here. Spongel, I don't know. This right here is $20, okay? I'm kind of curious to see what that looks like. Oh, that smells really good. So it's just like a sponge. And that's the size of it, you know, if you want to see how big it is. Size of my hand. And it's infused with body wash. So I don't know how long this would actually last you. It says multi-use on the box. But nonetheless, it smells good. And again, it's worth $20, okay? Alright, so the next thing in my box is a brush set from Luxe Beauty that looks like this. This brush collection is $65. Okay, so just this brush collection alone is worth more than the price of this box. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, it's such good value for the amount of money that you're paying. Okay, so that's what you get in here in this brush set. You have, looks like you have foundation brushes, you have, you know, eyeshadow brushes. I don't know what the hell that is. And again, that's worth $65 for that set. Okay, so the next product. The next product was something that we had a choice in. Now, again, if you're new to BoxyCharm, you've never had it before, you've never heard of it, normally you don't get to choose what you get in your box. They might have several different variations where, you know, everybody will get a couple products that are the same, and then you might get like 1 or 2 products different from somebody else. But there's just only several variations, and you know, just it's kind of luck of the draw on what you get. This was the first box where we got to choose between, you know, this or this, and it was only one variation. We only got to choose between one thing. The choice was between a flat iron for your hair or between a Suva Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now, anybody that knows me in real life already knows what I chose. I chose the eyeshadow palette. And I collect eyeshadow palettes. I know that might sound silly, but I can't help it. I'm a sucker for them. I enjoy all things eyeshadow. So I chose the Suva Beauty Protege eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Plus, I have a flat iron. I didn't need another one. And that's the inside of this eyeshadow palette. Now, if you want to see swatches of this, or you want to see an eye look with this, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to do that for you. But for right now, I'm just trying to keep this quick, and that way I can get this uploaded so you guys can see it. This palette here is worth $34. Okay, so I'm digging. The next thing in my box is from Tarte, and this is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. This is in the shade Insta Famous. Oh, it's glittery. I don't know if I'll be pulling that off. This is something I'll probably end up giving to my daughter. But this is, it's just really glittery lip topper is what it looks like. And it feels kind of sticky. Ooh, heard that? Oh yeah, it's sticky. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. I like the way that smells. And this glitter lip paint is $20. And I'm not done. I've got more. Okay, the next thing in my box, turn this around here, I'm struggling. The next thing in my box is from Grand, and this is their Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Okay, let me just kind of look at this wand here. It looks like it's got fibers in it. It does. I smell everything. I'm a weirdo. I can't help it. And this mascara, let me see how much this costs. This mascara is $25. That's expensive. Okay, so the next item that I have is from the brand Elemis. And this is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. And the size of it it seems huge. This is a more upper scale kind of skincare item. The brand Elemis is a little more expensive than what I usually pay for skincare. Y'all are gonna shit. You know how much this costs? This is $89. Are you kidding me? Okay, yeah, I definitely would not buy something that pricey. That's crazy. This stuff better be able to make me look like I'm 12. Alright, the next product that I have, the last product that I have, but certainly not least, okay? Like, I'm totally shocked with all the stuff that's in here, is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. This is $45. I think most of their palettes are $45. If I can get this out of the box, I'll show it to you. Forever struggling. You'll have to forgive me. I mean, honestly, I worked all day. I put my makeup on at 6 o'clock this morning. It is now 8 o'clock at night, so I'm not even wearing half of it anymore. I'm just, you know, I'm on third day hair, so it's up in a bun. If any of you ladies out there can relate, you know what I mean. It's to the point where it's on my nerves. I can't do nothing with it, so it's getting washed tomorrow. I mean, why do I have to fight with tape just to look at an eyeshadow palette? It's highly unnecessary. So that's this here. Really pretty packaging. It's got this kind of oil slick looking, if you can see that rainbow looking cover when you're looking at it. This palette is more or less like neutrals, warm neutrals. Which is perfect. I mean, you honestly can't go wrong with warm neutrals. It's got a huge mirror in it. And then there's your pretty palette. I'll definitely get some use out of this. I wouldn't have paid $45 for this out of my own pocket, like on its own, just because you can get warm neutrals in just about any palette for a lot cheaper. But I'm definitely glad to have this in my collection. So again, guys, this subscription just blows me away. I have yet to be disappointed with it. So if you are on the fence, you're not sure, I say give it a try. You can pay month to month. You can pay ahead for a year. You have different options as far as that goes. I pay month to month. That way, if for whatever reason I can't afford it anymore, or, you know, other things come up, I need to cancel it, I can. So let me get you the total value of this box. I'm going to add all the products up and I'm going to get you the total value. Okay, the Elemis was $89. The lip paint was $20. The Violet Voss palette was $45. The Suva Beauty palette was $34. The Luxe brushes were $65. The Spongel, I don't know, the body wash and the little poof, that was $20. The Grand Cosmetics mascara was $25. The Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder, that was $32. And then last but not least, that wristlet with the charging thing in it, that was $22. The total value of this box is $352. I paid $50 for this box. Now granted, you're not always going to love everything that you get, so depending on who you are and what you like, you may get this and say, I'm not even going to use over half of this. In that case, then no, it's probably not going to be worth it for you. However, I'm extremely pleased with what I got. I enjoy beauty products of all types, so this is something that works really well for me. So again, guys, I just wanted to jump on here and show you this really quickly. I want to get this edited and thrown up on my channel as soon as possible because I just got it today. And I'm wanting to share, you know, the excitement a little bit. Like, if there's people out there that are on the fence about this, like, I want you to know what I got. Maybe if you want to subscribe too and get the next BoxyLuxe, which will be 3 months from now, I say go for it. I'm super excited. I'm super happy with what I got. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today on my BoxyCharm unboxing. I do have several other subscription boxes that I'll be unboxing with you guys. As soon as I receive them, I already did an Ipsy one. I haven't uploaded it yet. I want to get this one uploaded just because it's the BoxyLuxe. I hope you liked it. Do me a favor, if you liked my video, hit that subscribe button. Come back and see me again soon. Leave some comments for me. Let me know what else you'd like to see, and I'd be truly appreciative. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.